Welcome to our guide on how to add location to your tweets on Twitter using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open Twitter on your PC and access the navigation menu on the left side of the screen by clicking on More. Next, navigate to Settings and Privacy within the menu and then head to the Privacy and Safety section. Within the Privacy and Safety settings, locate the Location Information tab and click on Add Location Information to your tweets. To include your location in your tweets, check the box next to Add Location Information to your tweets to enable this feature on Twitter. By adding location information to your tweets, you can provide context and geographical relevance to your posts, making them more engaging and informative for your followers. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to add location to your tweets on Twitter using your PC. Enhance your tweets with location information to connect with your audience in a more personalized and meaningful way. Share your experiences and whereabouts with your followers by incorporating location details into your tweets.